Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's zero. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. You can also go into device settings and tap on display. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!